Hi everyone, I'm Amrita and today's video is about which sugar is the best for PCOS and which one should you choose. White sugar, brown sugar, coconut sugar, palm sugar, date sugar, honey, jaggery, so many different kinds of sweeteners. Each one boasting some benefits over the other and claiming that they're the best sugar. Which one of these is best? Well, I hate to break it to you, but they're all the same. What? No way. Let me explain. All sugar starts out from a whole food source. White sugar and brown sugar starts out from sugarcane. Date sugar starts out from dates. Coconut sugar starts out from coconuts, etc. We then process these to some extent to reach a form that we can eat. The only real difference between all these other sugars and regular white table sugar is that white sugar is maximally processed, whereas these other sugars stop a few steps before they reach the white sugar stage. So technically, all these sugars that stop a little before the white sugar stage have some additional nutrients compared to white sugar, which is why people think that they're healthy. This is not true though. White sugar has only carbs and no other nutrients. All these other sugars have some nutrients, some minerals, but they are all mostly still just carbs. Whether you eat coconut sugar, whether you eat white sugar, whether you eat brown sugar, they all have the same number of calories. 1 spoon of coconut sugar will give you the same amount of calories as 1 spoon of white sugar. Now, yes, coconut sugar has slightly more nutrients than white sugar does. The key word here being slightly. The recommended amount for added sugar consumption is 5 to 6 teaspoons per day, and at this quantity, you're not getting any significant amount of nutrients from eating the less processed sugars. You would need to eat way more than 5-6 teaspoons of added sugar to get any significant nutrients from these sugars, and no one should be eating that much sugar. Remember, if you have PCOS, your body is probably already having a hard time processing sugar and keeping and maintaining regular and normal blood sugar levels. You definitely don't want to burden it by adding sugar to your diet, whether it's in the form of coconut sugar, white sugar, or honey or jaggery. So if you're wondering which is the best sugar for PCOS, know that all sugar is the same. Nutritionally, they are not significantly different from each other and they are all going to behave the exact same way in your body. So the next time you're buying products that have coconut sugar or date sugar or palm sugar, know that this is just a marketing tactic. It doesn't matter what form of sugar you're using. It's going to affect your blood sugar levels the same way and it's going to affect your PCOS the exact same way. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel and share this video with others who will also find it helpful. If you have any questions or concerns, please leave them in the comments below or simply reach out to me on Instagram. I hope to hear from you very soon. Until then, take care.